has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Woodford County, north central McLean County until 4:30 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gridley, or 17 miles west of Pontiac, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Woodford and north central McLean counties, including the following locations: Panola. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 15 and 23.
This is crazy. All right, I'm listening to Brandon.